about the news time strategy, I'm not recommend you about news time strategy, because you need to open 2 or 4 trades at the same time, and this is risky. If you done a mistake, you will lose 4 trades in a row, and I'm not recommend you, but you asked me to explain you, and I will explain you. But practice it. If it worked for you, then it's good. But if you don't have confidence, don't try it, because if you done a mistake, you will lose 4 trades in a row. Okay, so the news, you can check the news from here. Market analysis, here you can check the news from here. Okay, so you click here and you go here, forex calendar. Let me show you here, forex calendar, and you can see it show you the news time, when the news will happen in the market. And let me tell you, okay, so this one, you can see this one don't have the forecast and the previous. Let me show you what is my mean. So we don't know about this one. We should leave this type of news and search for another news. Let me find. Okay, this is also don't have. Okay, here you can see it have the forecast and it have the previous. You can see the forecast is smaller than this previous, right? It is lower than this. What is mean? If the forecast is lower than previous, the previous 1.5, the forecast 1.4, it means the forecast is lower than previous, and the market will decrease. It will go down on this news time on 5 p.m. The market will go down. But which pair? Here you can see, if you check here, the CAD is repeating, right? You can see AUD CAD, USD CAD. So you can see GBP CAD. So CAD is repeating, right? So it means in CAD pairs, the price will decrease. It will go down. But you need to understand one point here. Let me show you, let me clear this one. You can see here CAD CHF, CAD JPY. Here you can see the major currency is CAD, right? Because it is first. In the first place is CAD. So this is the major currency. Okay, the forecast shows us the CAD will decrease. So the CAD CHF will decrease, the CAD JPY will decrease, but here the CAD is in second place, right? AUD CAD, the AUD is the major currency here. So here it will be the opposite. When the CAD is not the major currency, the price with the act of the market will be opposite. So here AUD CAD will go up, not going down. So you need to understand this one. You can see the news tell us the CAD, right? It is about the CAD because it is repeating. It telling us the CAD will decrease, will fall down. Why? Because the forecast is negative. It is lower than previous. So the CAD will fall. But on the price, that CAD is in the major currency. Okay, like CAD CHF. CAD is in the first place, right? So it means it is the major currency, and the price will go down on this pair. Okay, but when the CAD is in second place, right, like AUD CAD, it is in second place, so it will be opposite. When the CAD is in second place, the price will go up. And always look for this one that have the previous and forecast, because you know the price will go up or down. If suppose the forecast be higher, like if suppose here it be 1.8, the forecast is higher, right? So the CAD will go higher. The CAD, it is about the CAD, it will go higher. But in the pairs that CAD is measure, it will go higher. But when the CAD is second place, it will fall down. So this is opposite, and always you need to check and understand about this. So let me show you example. I don't recommend you to trade in the news without any practice. It is dangerous, because I will show you now, if you make a mistake, you will lose 4 trades in a row. Okay, so let me bring okay. So here, as you can see, let me show you. So here you can see I open the market analysis, the forex calendar here, and you can see there is a news at the 5 p.m. here. So I'm checking the news. Okay, so here you can see the forecast is higher than previous, right? It is green, it is positive. It means the price will go up. But in which currency? So let's see which currency is repeating here. You can see here USD is repeating on every pair, right? You can see the USD here. So this news is about the USD, and the forecast telling us the price will go up in USD. But as we all know, it will not go up in every pair, just in pair that USD is in major currency in the first place. Here it will go up, right? But in Euro USD, it will go up? No. Why? Because the USD in second place, it will go down. So always check this, and it is important, so don't make a mistake. Okay,
Those green and red numbers there doesn't mean anything about, like, in the Euro USD it's plus 0.05%. Doesn't it mean the price will go up? Is not a prediction here.
this one,
Yeah.
no, I will show you now. Okay, I will show you.
So I have a question here. When you are
Yes,
saying it goes up or down,
yes,
does that mean the major trend of that pair would be in the up side, and the major trend, if it's will go down, so the major trend of that pair would be down?
no, we don't check the measure time, we don't check any level. I will show you here. Okay,
Okay.
okay, I will show you right now, just wait a second. Okay, so here the forecast was for USD, right? So we open 4 chart with USD currency. You can see 4 chart with USD, and the news was in 5 p.m. You can see we have just 30 seconds left. We trade exact at the news time. It was in 5 p.m. so we trade in 5 p.m. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so you can see the forecast for USD was positive, right? The forecast was green. It means the USD will go up. But here you can see the USD on these 2 above charts, you can see it is in second place, right? So here it will go down, and here you can see the USD is in the major currency. Here also it is here. So these 2 will go up. Okay, so when it is in first place, the forecast, and it is right, everything is right, the USD forecast is going up, so when it is in the first place it will go up, no problem. But when it is in second place, it will be opposite. The forecast saying it will go up, but when it is in second place it will go down. So let me show you. Okay, so here you can see, now you can see we are trading exactly at the news time. It was 5 p.m. right? You can see exact time, and here we are expecting the price will go up, right? And here we are expecting it will go down. So we open the 5-second. You can see I'm open the 5-second on all of this chart, and we are waiting for what? A good 5-second confirmation. So here the price will go down, so we need a red confirmation, a red good confirmation here also. But here we are expecting the price will go up, so we need a good green confirmation here. So let me show you my confirmation here. So you can see here I'm waiting for a green confirmation. Okay, so here you can see, here I got my green confirmation, here I got my good green confirmation, so I'm placing the higher option. Okay, but here you can see this is not a good confirmation I placed directly, so you need to wait for a good confirmation like this one at least. Okay, a medium candle, it is not that strong, so this is not a good confirmation, but I place my trade directly here. But here you can see I'm waiting for a good confirmation. Okay, so let me play the video. You can see I'm waiting here to get a good confirmation. Always place your trade with a good confirmation. So here you can see I got the confirmation, I place my trade here. So let me show you the results here. Okay, you can see mostly you will win all of these, like here sometimes you will win 3 and 1 loss. But if you done a mistake, you will lose all this trade, and it is so dangerous. That's why I'm not recommend you this strategy, but you can practice this one in demo. If it worked for you and if you feel confidence on this strategy, you can try it. But if you are not, I don't recommend you. It is not a good one, because if you done a mistake, you will lose 4 trades in a row. And you can see when I got my confirmation here you can see I placed my trade here. I placed directly. It is not a good confirmation here, but I pressed directly. Always wait a good confirmation, and here also. So this is the new strategy. You was asking me about it, and I show you here. Okay.